Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. I'm here with Hamza. Say hi.
Hi.
And together we got a surprise package regarding the all-new Super Mario movie. That is right, Super Mario Bros. Movie finally coming out, and now this is going to be in theaters on April 7th, in which they sent us a surprise unboxing haul to kind of showcase exactly what it's all about. You ready, buddy?
Yeah.
All right. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay, so they actually sent us not one, but two bags. One for Hamza, and then one for, of course, Zen, who is actually not here, but we'll kind of set this to the side for now and take a look at this bag right over here. All right, so first off, we got the lovely looking background. So this is like a little tote bag kind of showcasing the movie. You got Princess Peach's castle all the way to the top. Let's take a look inside. You want to go and pull that out? What do we got, Hamza?
Backpack.
All right, so they gave us a backpack here. So this is neat. So it's got Toad here on the front. You gonna take this to school? Yeah. And then inside here, I guess we have some stuff too. What is this?
Picture.
Poster. So they gave us a poster. Hamza, you want to put this in your room?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's been looking forward to a poster for a while now. He loves those. Bowser, you got Mario, you got Luigi, you got Peach, you got Donkey Kong, Toad, and then of course you have the bad guys and then the kingdom itself. Looks cool. We're gonna hang this definitely for sure, right? Hats.
Peachy hat and Mario.
Yeah, you got Mario and Luigi. Which one do you want to be?
A Mario.
All right, let's wear it. Aha! Check it out. These actually are really nice hats. They're actually like stitched, pretty cool. And on the side it says Super Mario Bros. Movie. All right, let's wear these.
Mario.
And I'm Luigi.
I'm Peachy.
A button badge. So these are 4 button badges. You want to take a look at that?
I want to see it inside.
Yeah, open it up.
Okay.
What do we got? Oh, cool. So we got some buttons, essentially some pins. We have Mario, Luigi, Princess, and Toad. Another button badge.
Let's see inside again.
Oh, we got Bowser. What kind of sound does Bowser make? And then just one last thing here.
A big one. What is this?
I don't know. Let's open it up from here. Stickers! So we have some of the characters from the movie. So you have all the different characters from the movie. You got Mario, Princess Peach, you got Luigi, you got Bowser. So you can see that right there. Looks pretty cool. All right, well, with that said, big special thanks to the good folks over at Nintendo, as well as Illumination for sending over this amazing care package regarding the all-new Super Mario Bros. Movie, in which both of us are going to watch once it's out. And with that said, if you had any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.